Okay, so I don't know if anyone noticed in the past few tutorials, but when I rebuilt everything, I actually had to rebuild a new file. So I'm actually in YouTube 2. Don't worry, again, if you've noticed any slight differences between mine and yours, it's just because I had to redo everything and used a completely different code. Now, we did last tutorial, we just introduced an array. Now, I've named it poorly as a capital... sorry about that. I named my array as colors, which is a poor name because first it's a capital at the start and all that. So I've renamed it, and it's colors underscore array. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to create an alert dialog. Now I've already written the code because this is a long code. Now I will probably not be putting this in, actually I suppose I should actually put this in the description, but I don't know if I'll have the time. Now what I've done is in the about class, right down the bottom, just before the final set of closing brackets, I have put in a public void colors. Now, as you can see, colors is never used, so that's not a big deal. But we've got alert dialog.builder. Now, don't worry about what these things do at the moment. The best part for you to do is to actually be able to use them. Now, sorry, this one came from one of my other things. We need about. So yeah, we've got that. Select color. Sorry, I'm a bit behind this. I tried to clear most of it up before, so that's why we've got colors array here, and all that. String array, colors array. We're almost there. So yeah, now you can see a lot of red here. Now we're going to fix this by using Alt-Enter and import the class. Now this means that right up the top we've got an import class of alert dialog. That's good. Don't worry about anything really there. But now we've also got some little issues with the dialog interface isn't there. So we'll bring that one in. Simple. Now I've also got toast. There's one. Doesn't really do much, but cannot resolve colors array. Wow. Don't know why every other colors array was working. Huh. Wow, that's disheartening. Just give me a second, I'll go check my other code. Yep, so there's the mistake. I've still got this one listed as underscore array. There we go. So now this should work. Now, if anyone can guess what this is going to do, that's great, but it's no real excuse for not being able to see it. I know I took the easy way out by using my priorly written code, but that's actually what you should do in this kind of thing. In fact, I'm going to be uploading my part of the code to an Evernote folder. God, I really can't believe that I actually got this into it. I was thinking, oh, so like when we started the course, it was one of the first things I said. I was like, oh, wow, they expect us to use Evernote. Never even heard of this thing. So, okay, so we'll click on the button. Then we'll go see, okay, now new button, what does that do? Just takes us back. So we've obviously forgotten something here, haven't we? And we can go up. Don't know if anyone else noticed this before, but we haven't actually called the colors class. It's never used. The method of colors is never used. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right up to the top. And in this file here, I'm just going to use colors. Now, this isn't the best place, I would say, but I tried to get it so my actual submission assignment didn't need this thing, but I couldn't do that. Maybe you guys can, but what I'm going to do first, before we actually take a look at this, just so I don't forget, I'm going to grab this whole thing and I am going to grab my Evernote.web, add a new one in, alert dialog code. So yeah, so if anyone wants this code and all that, I wish I don't know, maybe I can share it out, but I'll try to remember to just post this part of the code onto YouTube, but who knows, I'm not that good with memory these days. Now here we are again. We'll click on the button. What's going to happen? Going to at some point transfer over to the About page, but yeah, so this is the alert dialog. It's bringing us a nice little thing. This is the title. These are the options. Now there's no real line separating it, but if you click out here, it's still going to hit. And the little pop-up down there was what Toast did. This is just to test that everything's working and all that. That it picked up which button which button you've clicked on and all, and sent you to the right area. Now, that's it for this tutorial. It's probably a bit longer than my last. Well, it's a lot longer than my last one, but probably carried on a bit long. But we'll let you go. If you have any issues with this, contact me. Please subscribe and all that. The more you guys watch this, the more videos I can actually put out. Aside from that, we'll see you next time.